بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, welcome back again to our book. Today we are in page 74, so let's get started. So we have أمثلة على المد بالواو, examples on مد using a wow. طيب, so we have the first one. أوذينا طيب, all of these three, they all have the long vowels. We're doing right now the long vowel dhamma, we've done the long vowel kasri, and we did the long vowel Fat-ha, which we use an alif, and for the kasri we use ya, and for the dhamma we use waw. So if you get this example very well, it's going to be easy. طيب, it's a word which has all the examples together. So we have أوذينا. طيب, and make sure one is not longer than the other one. Do not say أوذينا or أوذينا or أوذينا. No. All of them should be in the same level. طيب, and remember we said haraka is your movement from one letter to another one. طيب, أوذينا. طيب, بورك. طوصون. طيب, these two are the ones which are long, but this one is not long. طيب, ثومها. Okay, remember this one doesn't have a ya, so do not make it long like saying ثومها. Nope. ثومها. طيب, let's go to the next one. جوزية. حوسب. طيب, then we have خوطب. دونهما. This is ha and this is mim. Okay, look at the difference. The ha is too long. Look at the shape. The more you see this shape, the more it's going to be easy. Look at the mim, the way it is. Okay, دونهما. ذوقوا. Okay, so here we're supposed to have a dhamma here. طيب, how do we know? Because of the waw. Okay, ذوقوا. Also we know the meaning. ذوقوا. روحنا. طيب, زوروا. طيب, you see here the dhamma and here the dhamma, they're all the same. زوروا, but different meaning, of course. زوروا. سوقنا. طيب, please also make sure you can see the difference in the same vowels, the way they are. Okay, the way they are arranged. Dhamma, long vowel, kasri, fatha, and a long vowel. Like that. Here the same thing. طيب, the other one. شوهد. صوحب. طيب, so we have زوروا, سوقنا, شوهد, and صوحب. So if we start one more time from the beginning, okay, this is how you're supposed to be reading it. أوذينا. بورك. طوصون. ثومها. جوزية. حوسب. خوطب دونهما ذوقوا روحنا زوروا سوقنا شوهد صوحب. إن شاء الله مع السلامة. See you on page 75. Thank you for watching.